What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. If you're a returning subscriber, returning viewer, which you should have already subscribed, I don't know what you're waiting for, but yeah, man. Welcome to the new people who this is your first time seeing me. If you enjoy my reaction, please hit the subscribe button, hit the like button as well. It's kind of late right now, so maybe the energy is not too up there, but I'm gonna try. It's 2:30 a.m. in the morning, so yeah. But we're gonna check out another Diana Ankudinova. This one is Blizzard, man. Hopefully this video doesn't get blocked, which it might, because this is from channel HTB, so yeah, their stuff usually gets blocked. Let's check it out, man. Let's go. Or I'll try to pause it more, but I don't really like doing that. If not, it'll be blurred. That's a cool effect. Got the snow falling, the fake snow.
Где-то там, за окном, ходит зима. Сеет снег, белый снег, ночью и днем. И меня тишину
Already.
И опять.
I didn't know she was so young currently. I believe I saw a video. She uploaded a video to her channel. I believe she just turned 17, right? Or something like that. Wow. I didn't know she was still that young. But here it says she's 15. That's crazy. She's that young.
Сводит с ума. И опять не уснуть в доме пустом. Саваном белым вьюга, дом мой укрой. Где-то ты засыпаешь, где-то.
Her voice is like so mature for her age. That's insane. Like it has some bass to it.
Где-то там в тишине ходит февраль. Ему, как и мне, сон не найти. Где-то там вдалеке никогда ты не поймешь. Где-то там не со мной, так и не узнаешь ты. Саваном белым вьюга.
Wait, was that the guy from the Dimash one? Looks like him.
Саваном белым вьюга. Где-то ты засыпаешь, где-то, но не со мной. Кружит белая вьюга, тихо ходит зима. Слышишь, как замерзаю снова я без тебя.
So much passion and character in her performance, man. I love it. She has so much energy. Her performances are always amazing. So much energy. Incredible.
Dogecoin has had an unreal last 12 months. Elon Musk, Mark
It's
Cuban,
also had a
Snoop
crazy
Dogg, I don't know how
one
to...
day. Dogecoin, man. Should have bought that, but hey, we're not here for that. We're here for Deanna. She is so amazing, so incredible. Never seems to disappoint. Just an amazing voice. And what else can we say, man? We already know what to expect from her, which is greatness. And her performances always, she comes with so much energy, man. So that's a good thing. That's like what's the word? That's like a big part of your performance. That's like gonna give you a lot of points whenever you're on shows like that. So that's awesome, man. And for that age too, she's able to do it so well. That's very impressive. So it's awesome. Shout out to her. Shout out to the people that are behind her, supporting her, man. That's pretty dope. But yeah, shout out to you guys too. You guys are supporting her like crazy. So I see it, man. Thank you guys for checking out my reaction. If you're new to the channel, please hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, check out my other Deanna reactions, and I'm gonna catch you guys in the next one. Stay safe out there, no matter where you are on the planet. You guys are all my friends, all my family, man. I'm out of here. Peace.